Tailing in chromatographic band. Another abnormal shape in chromatographic band, it is tailing. Now this is normal Gaussian shape, and in case of tailing, instead of a normal uniform shape, a long tail is present along with chromatographic curve. Mean a normal shape, it should be like this. It should come on this side, and instead of normal shape, a long tail is present along with this chromatographic band. This tailing basically occur when sample have strong affinity with the stationary phase. Mean our sample components, they have strong affinity with the stationary phase. As a result, tailing occur. Stationary phase, which is commonly used in chromatography in case of column as well as in case of TLC, it is silica gel. Silica gel have this type of structure. On silica, hydroxyl groups are present. In these hydroxyl groups, this oxygen, it have strong affinity with the sample. Means sample strongly attached with this oxygen, and due to strong attachment of sample with this oxygen, tailing occur. Mean mobile phase try to elute our sample, but stationary phase strongly hold our sample on this oxygen position, on this hydroxyl position with oxygen, sample is strongly attached. So main reason behind this trailing is strong attachment of sample with this hydroxyl group. Due to strong attachment of sample with stationary phase, tailing of band occur.